3 new changes are available in the Android 17 Beta 4 update. Let's see. 1. You're all caught up instead of no notifications when you swipe down the notification panel. 2. New system icon. 3. Android 17 Easter egg. To check for the Android 17 Easter egg on your Pixel device, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Scroll down and tap Android version in the Device Details section. Tap the Android version multiple times until you see the Easter egg on your Google Pixel device. Connect the dots and enjoy. That's all about new features on Android 17 Beta 4 for Pixel devices.